Antipasto salad recipe. Walk into an Italian deli or a trattoria and one of the first foods you'll see will be a colorful assortment of antipasti on display. Among them, you'll find various Italian cheeses, cured meats, fresh and preserved seafood, grilled vegetables drenched in olive oil, pickled peppers and olives, herb-flecked beans, and more. The common denominator in every one of these antipasti is lots of flavor, which is entirely the name of the game in this vibrant and satisfying salad. What is antipasto? When translated to English, antipasto essentially means appetizer. Antipasto is singular, while antipasti is plural. In the cookbook Lydia's Italian-American Table, Lydia Bastianic describes antipasti as those little bites to nibble on before a meal. She explains, whether simple or elaborate, an antipasto is meant to stimulate the taste buds and start the gastric juices flowing with an assortment of flavors, textures, colors, and aromas. Simply recipesmiila kuzeric sebric. What makes antipasto salad special? Antipasto salad hits all of these notes and then some. It starts as most salads do, with a bed of fresh, crunchy lettuce. From there, you build the salad using favorites from the antipasti lineup: little mozzarella balls, salami, cherry tomatoes, artichoke hearts, sweet peppers, olives, peperoncini, and chickpeas. Big, craggy croutons like the ones used in panzanella provide added crunch. The whole salad is dressed with an Italian vinaigrette that's punctuated with anchovies and generously topped with Parmesan cheese. Recipe variations. Simply recipesmiila kuzeric sebric. Can I make this salad ahead? In a word, yes. You have a couple of options here. How to serve antipasto salad. If a salad could be called friendly, this one fits the bill. It's hearty, casual, and generous. Antipasto salad is chock full of goodies and has enough heft to qualify as a main dish. Serve it as a fun weeknight dinner. You can even set this up as a salad bar, allowing everyone to pick and choose for a custom-made meal. Or whip up this salad for dinner with friends. Make a pot of meatballs and sauce or a big sheet pan pizza, no judgment if you want to order in and serve the salad as a side dish. Open a bottle of wine and call it a party. Antipasto salad is also a nice addition to a potluck supper. It will hold up for an hour or two after it's dressed, so it's ideal to set out at a buffet. Simply recipesmiila kuzeric sebric. More main dish salads. Save it! This recipe serves 4 as a main dish or 6 to 8 as a side dish. For the croutons, for the salad, for the dressing. Simply recipesmiila kuzeric sebric. Show full nutrition label. Nutrition information is calculated using an ingredient database and should be considered an estimate. In cases where multiple ingredient alternatives are given, the first listed is calculated for nutrition. Garnishes and optional ingredients are not included.